Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 8659 Northshore Drive on gorgeous Honeoye Lake.
This is an outstanding ranch property with a rare location and 60 feet of level lakefront. So let's take a tour.
This is open one-floor waterfront living with a cathedral ceiling great room, featuring a country kitchen with beautiful wood cabinets, a spacious dining, and living area with deck access, plus an adjacent cottage-style living room with a gorgeous stone fireplace and patio access. All with a powder room and laundry, 3 bedrooms with a full bathroom, including a master, and breathtaking views of Honeoye Lake. Enjoy relaxing with family and friends on this new entertainment-sized deck and patio with panoramic lake views. This rare and secluded location offers a private 60-foot lake-level beach with breathtaking views.
This home is located on Honeoye Lake, a great place to live, known for great fishing, boating, and waterfront activities. Nearby this property is the quaint hamlet of Honeoye with summertime concerts and is just 16 miles from Canandaigua and the rest of the Finger Lakes region. Nearby is the Hunt Hollow Ski Club and Bristol Mountain. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski. Just minutes away from Honeoye Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 8659 Northshore Drive on gorgeous Honeoye Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!